Everyone loves Halloween. Create a spooky atmosphere with Artistro in our new tutorial, Easy Haunted Halloween Paper Crafts. For this tutorial, you will need colored paper, Artistro paint pens, school glue, and scissors. Let's create cute ghosts. Fold the paper in half. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Draw the ghost outline and paint the eyes and the mouth. Cut the ghost and glue two halves together. Stick the paint pen as a holder. Three friendly ghosts are ready. Up to the next scary creature. Let's make a paper vampire. Fold paper the way we show in the tutorial and glue it together. Fold it again. Draw the face, mouth, and glue the fangs and ears. Beware of vampires. Use a plate to create this cute witch paper craft for Halloween. Use your scissors to cut small slits around the black circle. Fold this circle to form a witch's skirt. Glue the head, hat, and arms. Using markers, draw a nose and mouth on your witch. Also, decorate the hat with a spider web. Use your scissors to cut small slits along one side of your rectangle. Roll and fold the rectangle up to form a witch broom. Glue the hair. Your witch paper craft is complete! Wouldn't these be darling hung up on a classroom bulletin board for Halloween? Cut out 8 equal strips. Glue the strips of paper to the circle. Overlap them slightly. Bend the strips individually before you glue them each together. Finish your pumpkin with some green leaves. You can place these pumpkins all over your house. This cute and spooky Halloween paper accordion bat is an easy art project you can whip up with the kids. Fold the cardstock according to our tutorial. Cut out the bat wings and glue them to the folded body part. Add googly or paper eyes to make it look cute or scary. How did you like these spooky and cute Halloween paper crafts? Hang them up on the windows, have them sitting on shelves, and have fun putting them in places you wouldn't normally think of to create a spooky atmosphere. And while these are super fun to make, they're also working on kids' hand-eye coordination and motor skills as well.